Well, Fear Boss, we are most certainly uncomfortable right now, aren't we? And since we were together the last time, the world has changed so much, especially in the last few weeks. Things are disrupted and uncomfortable and scary right now. But you want to know the good news? And yes, there is good news. We were made for this. Why? Because we are fear bosses. And this means we've been in training, working our courage muscles by experimenting with our fear every day on purpose so we are ready. Are we uncomfortable? Yeah. Does this feel scary? Yeah. Is the world changing? Yeah. But change is inevitable and you will never be able to outrun your fear. So why waste your energy? Plus, panic and fear are dangerously contagious, but so is love and hope. Remember, you are not only a fear boss, but you are also an everyday improviser. None of us have a script, ever. And the improv mindset is one of discovery, which can help you stay focused. And remember, fear hates when you are focused because it keeps you moving forward, and forward momentum is everything. See, improvisers are able to quickly switch their lens and see circumstances in different ways. Improvisers see possibility. We see opportunities. We don't see change as an interruption, but as an exciting introduction to what's coming next. Now, this mindset shift could empower you right now, specifically because when you see change and disruption as an exciting plot twist rather than something to fear, you step into your power and open the door to staying relevant because you have faith that change is fuel and not something to fear. Okay, Fear Boss, here are 4 tips to help you embrace this big, uncomfortable plot twist right now. Number 1, let forward momentum be your medicine right now. Keep moving forward, even if it's a baby step, but keep moving. Do one thing every single day to make a deposit into the bank of you mentally, physically, and emotionally. Microdose to the finish line. This means go small to go big. We don't need you to write the next novel or reorganize your entire house if you don't want to make this crisis work for you. Small steps forward every day is all it takes. So maybe today you write for 5 minutes in a journal. Maybe you organize your closet. Maybe you just don't hit the snooze button today. Maybe you go take a walk with no technology. Go small to go big means that you are managing your anxiety by taking things in small, bite-sized chunks instead of worrying about tomorrow or wasting time reflecting on the past. Number 2, conduct daily fear experiments. You have got to be working your courage muscle now more than ever. If you don't, you'll lose it. So staying brave means running the reps. So can you be looking for opportunities daily to get uncomfortable on purpose? Could you read something new, listen to something new, move your body in a different way? Maybe you don't drink at dinner tonight. Maybe you don't hit the snooze button tomorrow morning. Maybe you take a class, learn something new, forgive someone you need to, declutter something in your life, unfollow someone who gives you anxiety, watch less news. All of these are fear experiments. Let this be your new mantra. Step 3, you will either win or learn, but you will never lose. This crisis can either become your greatest teacher or the moment that opens the door something you've never would have found for yourself otherwise, but you won't lose because you don't allow yourself to go there. You will either win or you will learn, but you will never lose. Repeat this daily. Last but not least, you have got to take care of yourself because you cannot be exhausted and brave. So move your body. Science literally shows us that when you move your body, you change your mind. And when you change your mind, you begin to change your life. So rest, eat well, drink the water, go for walks, pray, meditate, read, but move your body and take good care of yourself because nothing works if you don't. Remember, you cannot be overwhelmed, you cannot be exhausted, you cannot be crazy busy and brave. Fear Boss, I am walking through this with you and I am cheering you on. I've got a couple of free resources that may help and you can snag them by texting BRAVE to 474747. You'll get some daily journaling prompts plus a couple of free chapters of my book so you can try it out. It's also, my book is available on Amazon for about 40% off and on Audible if you like listening for $10.99. I've also got a podcast, a new podcast that releases episodes every Wednesday. So come hang out there if you you want more content like this, but please know I'm cheering you on. We will come out of this stronger and most certainly braver. So stay brave and keep experimenting with your fear.